If you let God lead the way, I think He can take every bad situation that He didn't create or even want to happen and make something good come from it. In 1976, my husband, Hade, passed away at 38 years old. Losing Hade changed my whole world. I was faced with one of the most difficult decisions. Do I sell the farm and continue my teaching career, or become a full-time dairy farmer? Some people would try to give me advice, tell me to sell the farm and go back to teaching. Hearing their advice made me want to farm even more, and maybe even prove them wrong. But it wasn't just people telling me I couldn't farm that gave me the determination. It was also a comment I remembered Hade once saying. He told me if something ever happens to him, don't sell the farm until the kids are old enough to decide if they want to farm. When it gets down to it, I did it for my children. I worked just like a man. I chopped the silage, baled the hay, and ran the tractors. I would get up in the mornings and take care of the livestock and be back in the house before the kids got up. Farming is what God intended for me to do. He brought it about in a really strange way, but I truly think that's what I was meant to do. And even though I don't get out and work daylight to dark like I once did, farming is who I am. That's why I farm.